Alright guys, this morning I was recording some video on the way to work, driving through a nice little thunderstorm. I got some pretty cool video of lightning hitting the RSA tower, which is the tallest building in the state of Alabama. It's located in downtown Mobile. I have some other video from later on, as you'll see the timestamp change. It's pretty cool. It's not quite as cool as what you're seeing right there, but anyway, I hope y'all enjoy. That's just a quick little snippet of stuff that I was trying out this morning. New camera, and I really like how good it is with the low light capability. Anyway, y'all have a great night.